Welcome to this reality support tutorial from 3B Scientific and iSimulate. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through creating a new Apple ID specifically for use with REALITi iPads. If your organization already uses an Apple ID for its simulation devices, you may continue using that account instead of creating a new one. Before creating the Apple ID, make sure you have an internet connection, access to a phone number that can be used for verification, and, if required by your institution, permission to create a dedicated account for your simulation devices. This Apple ID should be used only for REALITi iPads, not for personal use. To begin, open the Settings app and tap Sign In to your iPad. Select Don't have an Apple ID or Forgot it. Then choose Create Apple ID. For this tutorial, we're creating a neutral Apple ID designed for training and demonstration purposes. If asked for an age range, select Adult. In the name field, choose a name that represents your organization or department. In our example, we'll use first name, REALITi, last name, Training. Next, select a date of birth. We recommend using a simple generic date such as January 1st, 1990. This keeps the account clearly distinct from any real individuals. Now choose your Apple ID email address. You can use an existing email address as long as you have access to it, or you can create a free iCloud email address. In our example, we'll create a new one. Tap Do not have an email address, and then tap Get an iCloud email address. Feel free to use any variation that suits your organization's naming convention. Next, create a secure password. Be sure to store it in a secure place accessible only to authorized personnel. Apple requires phone number verification for security. Choose either text message or phone call, enter the code when prompted, and continue. If your institution prefers not to link personal phone numbers, use an administrative or shared service number. Review the Apple terms and conditions and tap Agree. Follow the on-screen steps until setup is complete. Your new Apple ID is now ready. Sign in using the email address you created and wait for the iPad to finish syncing. Once complete, you can proceed with installing the REALITi apps from the App Store. Thank you for watching! If you have questions or need additional support, contact the 3B Scientific or iSimulate support team. Explore our full library of REALITi training videos for more helpful guidance.